Here's a little video of the progress we made on Noah's go-kart today. I don't even know if I have any videos of this posted on the YouTube page, but I figured I'd just shoot a little something. It was orange, and I'll put some video of it up on the shorts if I have any. And we're going to a gold cage for his first year. He wanted gold. So we're doing like this is what they call pure gold. The light in here really doesn't do it justice. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. But yeah, we went all the way apart today, and lots more to do. We'll be working on tomorrow, and I'll post another update video tomorrow. So here's my little 40-second video of that. There's that, and then we have all of the panels that are getting ready to come off, and they're getting ready to go out and get wrapped. So that is day one, and we'll post another update video tomorrow.